Have you ever tried to manifest your dreams into reality, only to find yourself stuck and frustrated? You're not alone. Many people make the same common mistake that keeps them from achieving their desires. But today, we're going to fix that. Stay with us to uncover the manifestation mistake most people make and how you can overcome it. Manifestation is a powerful process. It's about turning your thoughts, desires, and goals into reality. From the law of attraction to visualization techniques, people around the world use manifestation to create the life they dream of. But what if I told you that most people are unknowingly sabotaging their efforts? The common manifestation mistake most people make is focusing too much on the outcome and not enough on the process. This mistake can create a sense of desperation and anxiety, which ultimately blocks the flow of positive energy needed to manifest your desires. Let's dive deeper into this. Imagine you have a big goal, maybe it's a dream job, financial freedom, or a loving relationship. You think about it constantly, visualizing the end result. While this is an important part of manifestation, it's not the whole story. When you focus solely on the outcome, you might start to feel anxious about not having it yet. This anxiety can turn into doubt and fear, which are counterproductive emotions in the manifestation process. Instead of attracting your desires, you're inadvertently pushing them away. Have you ever noticed that the more you stress about something, the more elusive it becomes? That's because your energy is focused on the lack rather than abundance. The universe responds to your energy, so if you're emanating worry and scarcity, that's what you'll attract. So how do we fix this? The key is to shift your focus from the outcome to the process. Embrace the journey of manifestation with a positive and open heart. Let's break down the steps to do this effectively. Step 1, set clear intentions. Be specific about what you want to manifest. Write it down, create a vision board, or speak it into existence. Clarity in your intentions sets a strong foundation for the manifestation process. When you set clear intentions, you align your thoughts and actions with your goals. This clarity helps to direct your energy and focus, making the manifestation process more efficient and effective. Step 2, focus on the feeling. Instead of just visualizing the outcome, immerse yourself in the emotions that achieving your goal would bring. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if it's already happening. Emotions are powerful tools in manifestation. By feeling the positive emotions associated with your desires, you raise your vibrational frequency. This high-frequency energy attracts similar high-frequency outcomes, aligning you with your desired reality. Step 3, take inspired action. Manifestation is not just about thinking and feeling, it's also about doing. Take steps towards your goals, no matter how small they may seem. These actions demonstrate your commitment to your desires and open up opportunities for them to manifest. Consistent, inspired actions create momentum. They build a bridge between your current reality and your desired outcome. The universe responds to this momentum by providing the resources, opportunities, and support you need to succeed. Step 4, trust the process. This might be the hardest step, but it's crucial. Let go of the need to control every aspect and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Surrender your worries and have faith that your desires are on their way. Trusting the process means releasing doubt and embracing patience. It means believing that everything is unfolding perfectly, even if you can't see it yet. This trust creates a positive feedback loop that amplifies your manifestation power. Step 5, practice gratitude. Gratitude is a magnet for positive energy. Regularly express thanks for what you already have and for what is coming your way. This shifts your focus from lack to abundance, attracting even more good things into your life. Keeping a gratitude journal or taking a few moments each day to reflect on your blessings can make a significant difference. It reprograms your mind to notice and attract positivity, enhancing your manifestation efforts. Let's recap the steps to avoid the common manifestation mistake. Set clear intentions, focus on the feeling, take inspired action, trust the process, and practice gratitude. By incorporating these steps into your manifestation practice, you align yourself with the positive energy needed to bring your desires to life. Remember, manifestation is a journey. It's about growth, learning, and aligning with the highest version of yourself. The universe is abundant, and it's ready to help you achieve your dreams. All you need to do is align with its flow and trust in the process. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide helps you overcome the common manifestation mistake and empowers you to create the life you desire. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Together, we can spread positivity and manifest our dreams into reality. Until next time, keep believing, keep dreaming, and keep manifesting.